You come out. Right straight down. No, no, be back. Yeah. Back. Forward. Back up. Yeah. Okay. Back. Hold on. Yeah. Get your right foot. That's my body kind of back up. Kick. Yep. Great. Isn't that good? Want me to open these for them or? I want some. It's good with the hot sauce though. Mom. Yeah. Where you put that? It's good with the hot sauce.
Mukbang time.
Yes, okay.
What do you have to say, James, for the mukbang?
What's up,
my beloved? You know I'm putting on YouTube, right?
Every time we do
and I'm gonna tag beloved too.
Every time we do my I'm like, it's time for the seafood
boyo. Oh, that opened up good. Nice bright light. Cause y'all look like two smut balls over there when I had it.
You better watch your mouth.
You know, not you, Spirit.
I ain't no smut.
I brightened it up. It was dark.
That's nice.
So, graduate, now that you're on the left, how do you feel?
It's a surreal feeling that I have right now. It's like it's always been my life.
No. What I was trying to do.
I'm done with you.
No, come on, please.
I'm done with you.
Please. She did?
Yeah.
No, I didn't start laughing.
Could you please finish your graduate speech?
And that's it. Thank you.
Now, let me tell y'all what I was trying to do. I really wasn't trying to not go on her. I was really trying to, while she was talking, I was showing she was frying chicken.
You gotta take this away.
Back here so I can see you. What's up, Bobby?
Yeah, I have a family of them in my backyard. Kill them. I will not. It's so hot. Watch this, do it.
She gonna do what? She gonna put it right.
You see the steam on that?
Wait. Here's come back. Do that. It's smothered. Wait for it. There you go. Yeah, y'all see that chicken? She made that. It got ranch smut on it.
No.
What do you call it?
You sure? No, this is
oh.
It's all your faces.
Yep, there you go. Oh, excuse me.
This chicken, feet, it has bone. So you can only nibble like a little rabbit to get the skin off of it.
Yeah, you do.
No, like the
I gotta put you on camera eating a chicken feet.
Yeah, like the wingtip. She said you gotta nibble like a rabbit. But is it good? I think so.
She thinks so. Where are the chicken feet? Oh, it's no more cooked? Chicken feet. Chicken. This black people house.
Mommy, you have to make some light pieces for your son.
And for your daughter. I mean, and for your old sister.
Oh, you don't like them crunchy like that?
No, they think that's too crunchy. Oh. The chicken is gone.
That's just beautiful right there now.
I need delicious.
That is just beautiful.
Oh, this will video. You know that?
That's okay, I know how to mute stuff.
Oh, y'all know what that is, don't you? That's my girl.
Doing this, Louise.
Is that a chicken nut? I said, is that a chicken nut? I meant a chicken feet. I did not mean that.
Something on her head. Louise, you want, it doesn't matter what kind of chicken.
Right, it didn't even sound right. Whatever. Right. You thought that was gizzards?
Yeah.
What
are those gizzard things, though?
That's the inside.
Oh.
You don't care?
You know what they look like, though, right?
What do they call them? Mountain oysters?
Is that what they call
If
them?
they come from like a buffalo or
Oh, really?
a bull, they call them mountain oysters.
Oh, my.
I said I would try them. This is how you eat the wing tip.
Eat it until the gristle is gone. All the chicken must be consumed off the bone.
See, this is the tip. Or, well, it was.
See, that plate?
Oh, look at John.
But it's still good. It is good, though. And plus, she got that,
And you got flavor on.
what's the name,
That's an Atlanta
sauce?
church.
Who's the church is that?
I can't remember.
I just wanted to memorize your day, so I need to do a little video.
Oh, that's what's the name? You see the director? The dude with the big who's sitting with
Little nuts.
That is huge.
She wants some chicken. That's why she's standing.
She's staring at it. I'm like,
That is huge.
Shamika want to eat that chicken.
Gosh, I've never seen a pot that big.
What we about to do? Wait. Excuse me. Hold up.
Celebration song.
Oh, wait.
What's that song?
that's for you.
Come on, this is for you.
Okay.
Come on, y'all. She all right.
Come on, Dave. Come on, baby. Come on, guys. Clear the floor.
I'm gonna need you to get in the middle.
Come on.
Go, Val! Go, Val! Go, okay, I'm gonna need to come back some. A celebration. I need to come on this side. See, y'all don't know how to have no parties. This is how you party. I'm telling you. I do. That's why I ain't over there. Please don't put me on the camera.
Sit right here, put it on. Jump on you.
James, you want to do this? Aww. I gotta go put my wig back on if I'm gonna get in it.
Shaking your shit on. Come on, do that. Do that. Let's go.
on, dance, baby. Dance, Jules. Dance, Jules. Go, Jules. Go, Jules. Go, Jules. Go, Jules. There you go.
Come on, bro.
Change the music.
Electric slide.
Oh, the electric slide. We can't over hear it.
Want me to start it over?
Good job, baby.
Electric slide. Oh my God.
You come back. Right straight down.
Go the other way.
Back.
Forward. Back up.
Oh, okay.
Back. Hold over. Yeah. Kick your right foot.
Back up. Kick. Yep. 1, 2, 3.